Fonetica limbii române. Romanian Phonics. Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this episode, we're going to look at litera V. Litera V. Letter V. The name of this letter in the Romanian alphabet is V or VE. It is pronounced like V in very, very. The target vocabulary for this lesson is vis, vânt, vampir. Now, let's see what do these words mean. Vis, vis, dream. Vânt, vânt, wind. Vampir, vampir, vampire. Now, let's put these words in sentences. Am avut un vis urât. Am avut un vis urât. I had a bad dream. Bate un vânt rece dinspre sud. Bate un vânt rece dinspre sud. A cold wind is blowing from the south. Lumea crede că sunt un vampir pentru că m-am născut în România. Lumea crede că sunt un vampir pentru că m-am născut în România. People think I'm a vampire because I was born in Romania. And now you know how to pronounce words correctly in Romanian. Make sure you don't miss the next episode. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share and like this video. We would love to hear from you. Let us know in the comment section below what other kinds of Romanian language lessons you would like to see on this awesome channel. Until next time, this is Mihnea, your Romanian language teacher. Salut!